Hi, I'm Bibik, and in this assignment, I am going to describe about how I did the assignment 9, problem 1 and 2. Here, in this assignment, I implemented polymorphism, inheritance, and interface in Java using an animal example. First, I created a base class called animal, which contains a protected variable called name. I use protected access so that it is accessible to child class like owl, donkey, and frog, but not to unrelated classes. The animal classes also includes a constructor, getter and setter methods, and a toString method that returns the animal's name. Next, I created three child classes: owl, donkey, and frog, all extending the animal classes. Each child class has its own unique property. Owl has wingspan, donkey has weight, and the frog has length. I added appropriate getter and setter method for each, and I overrode the toString method to include both the name and the specific property. To demonstrate polymorphism, I created an array of animal objects that stores different types of animals. Even though the array type is animal, it can hold all donkey and frog objects. When I loop through the array and call to string, Java automatically calls the correct method based on the object type. I also use casting to access child specific method. For example, I cast an animal object to all so I can update its wingspans. This shows how we can access subclass features when needed. Similarly, in problem 2, here I created two interfaces, sound and movement, and each with one method. Then I updated the child classes to implement these interfaces. For example, owl returns hood, and fly, donkey returns hee haw and walk, and frog returns the repeat and jump. I also implemented the comparable interface in each classes. Each animal type is compared based on its specific attribute, like wingspan for owl. Then the compare to method ensures to type safety and compares object correctly. Finally, I demonstrated polymorphism using a sound array where I call get sound on different animal objects.